Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. So guys, before this video starts, I just want to say Happy New Year. I know it's kind of late, but the last video I uploaded was filmed in December, so that's why I couldn't say at that time. So anyway guys, in this video we are going to be talking about the leaks and rumors about the Galaxy S10. Last time we did about a Note 9 about 2 to 3 months ago. In this video we are going to be talking about the Galaxy S10 leaks, rumors, release date, every information that is going on the internet. So guys, jumping right into the video, the first thing I really want to talk about is the design of the Galaxy S10. I really like that Samsung included a 3.5mm headphone jack on the S8 and on the S9 also, and they didn't appear the notch on their smartphones as compared to some other smartphone where the 3.5mm headphone jack started disappearing and the notch started appearing. Now, talking about the design of the Galaxy S10, now according to the Ice Universe on Twitter, he tweeted that there are going to be 3 different variants on the Galaxy S10. There's going to be standard S10, then there's going to be S10 Plus, and then there's going to be a cheaper version which is known as S10 Lite. Now the S10, the standard S10 is going to have only one hole for the camera on the right hand corner, and the S10 Plus is going to have 2 holes for the dual cameras, and we don't know much information about the S10 Lite. So guys, talking about the hole inside the screen, some people are calling it has a notch, and the Samsung itself are calling it has the O Infinity display. To be honest, I'm not favoring Samsung in any term, but still it's different than notch, because notch is something which is in the middle of the screen. This is something on the right hand corner. And of course the S10 Plus is going to have 2 holes for the dual cameras, and when the smartphone is going to get released in the market, we have to see what people are saying for that. Now Samsung has to be very smart because they didn't offer notch SA on the S8 or the S9, so people are really expecting no notch on the Galaxy S10 also. Now talking about the price of this smartphone, they are kind of expensive, and I think they are copying Apple in this trend because they are offering the same prices as iPhone X was going on when it was new. So Samsung is going to release smartphones from £700 to all the way up to £1,400, and to be honest, £1,400 smartphone is kind of expensive, especially the budget smartphones are appearing also. So this is something I think Samsung has to look and reduce the price, because I think £1,400 is kind of expensive. So guys, the 2 feature I'm really excited for on the Galaxy S10 is the in-screen fingerprint scanner, which I'm really excited. I know most companies have already tried it, such as Vivo and Oppo, but still Samsung being a flagship is going to do it a bit differently, and as compared to some other smartphones, I think they were kind of slow in the reaction time. So hopefully Samsung is going to increase it, and many people were wondering about the in-screen fingerprint scanner, and according to the leaks and rumors, Samsung is going to offer it on the Galaxy S10. The second feature I'm really excited for on the Samsung is the triple cameras. Now this is something which is offered on Huawei and many other smartphones, but still Samsung also offered 4 cameras on their A8, the new version. I don't think it was launched worldwide. It was in some countries, it was just launched, and Samsung offered 4 cameras on their smartphone, but the specs of the smartphones were not very great. Now we will see what types of camera Samsung is going to use on their flagship S10, because since there are 3 cameras. So the most important thing I want to talk about is the release date of the Galaxy S10. So Samsung has confirmed the release date, which is 20th of February, and the smartphones are going to be in the market on 8th of March. So it's going to be that time of the year when my exams are going to be going on. So talking about the processor, the Samsung is going to include the Exynos 9 series 9820 on their latest flagship, the Galaxy S10, which according to the leaks and rumors, it's 7 times faster than the Galaxy S9. So as you guys know, the Galaxy S9 itself is a very fast smartphone, but Samsung is still saying that it's 7 times faster. So the speeds of the Galaxy S10 would be really amazing. Another thing to keep in mind is this processor can also do all of the AI stuff which other smartphones are also doing. So it's going to be very great, because Samsung is going to use that AI for cameras, and the result would be even more amazing as compared to some other smartphones. So guys, with that being said, that's it for this video. If you like the video, make sure to give it a like, and if you're new, consider subscribing and become a part of this channel, and thanks for watching.